What up, YouTube? Big West here. First off, just want to apologize for being away for so long. Got caught up with all this other stuff, you know, going out and work. But no, back now, no distractions. So a couple weeks ago, I went to FAN EXPO in Toronto. It was amazing. Big shout out to my friends Marcus and Ronnie for actually bringing me out to FAN EXPO. They've been telling me to do it for years and just always haven't, but they actually dragged me out. It was an amazing experience. Saw some crazy voice actors, celebrities, Adam West, Kevin Conroy, Sean Schemmel, just to name a few. So here's just some of the footage from FAN EXPO. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Peace out. What's up, y'all? It's Big West here. We're at the Metro Toronto Convention Center for FAN EXPO 2016. We're gonna go inside and see what's going on. Goal of the day: get Sean Schemmel, aka Goku, the voice actor from him. We're gonna get his autograph and type of stuff. It's gonna be sick. Let's go.
The amount of Harley Quinn seen today is unimaginable. Pretty ridiculous. There are like so many people here in costumes and cosplays and just wearing just ridiculous get-ups, but everyone's having a good time. And like, this is what it's all about. Like, everyone just here to enjoy the movies and the TV shows and the comics and the games that we all love, and just coming together to celebrate that. And this is just like pretty sweet.
Boom! Oh, that's pretty cool.
My friend made this for me.
Oh wow, it's like 3D. 3D.
Yeah.
The 3D.